design review, tutorial, and demo. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebOS. In this tutorial, I'm going to review Dezygn and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and just go to dezygn.com. And if you haven't signed up for Dezygn yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know this platform, Dezygn is packed with all the graphics design tools that you need to create visual content for social media, marketing materials, and many more. In which using this platform, Dezygn, it will help you to simplify your creative projects and create stunning digital designs without any design experiences. Since using this platform, you can use the library of templates along with over 20 stable diffusion models and the brand new DALL-E integration to design graphics for social media, marketing materials, and many more. And aside from that, below here, it will show you some of the benefits that they offer. And it says here that they offer deceptively simple, AI-powered, and conversion-minded. Since on this platform, more than 30% of the apps in Dezygn are powered by AI. From copywriting, flat design, and even the ability to train your own AI models. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some of the application that they offer. So the first one is this Use Dezygn, in which using this application, it will help you to create various graphic designs for personal and professional use. And aside from this, you could also use this application called Dezygn, in which using this application, you can create photorealistic mockups for various marketing materials such as t-shirt designs, sales pages, social media graphics, apps, and website. While by using GIF Dezygn or GIF Sign, it will serve as your animated GIF and cinema graph creation tool. And aside from that, by using the Dezygn app, you can get an unlimited AI art creations by simply typing a text and you will get the image of it. And aside from this application, you could also navigate the Face Dezygn, in which it will help you to improve real pics or create entirely new one. So you can use this in creating your profile picture. While this application branding, it will help you in creating logos using the colors, fonts, or even create your entire brand from here. And aside from this application, you could also use Agency Dezygn if you want to create your own agency website platform. While by using GPT Dezygn, it will help you to write emails, sales copy, video scripts, and many more. While this Use Dezygn application can help you to make 3D design and any other isometric figures. While by using Ad Dezygn, it will help you to generate ads at scale, such as an advertisement for Facebook, Google, TikTok, and many more. While by using Human Dezygn, from here you can create a 2D characters and customize it depending on your preferences. While by using Dezygn, using this application you can create a certificates formatted for mobile, web, or even tablets. While Stack Dezygn, from here you can create or choose an unlimited images that they offer that you can even customize and edit. And aside from that, you could also use Dezygn that will help you to access research AI directly from universities and research teams. While by using Flat Dezygn, from here you can create a beautiful illustration in 10 different styles that you can even personalize each of it. While by using Use Dezygn, you can turn text into talking video avatar. And aside from that, you could also use QR Dezygn to make your own QR code. While by using this last app model, Book Dezygn, it will help you to create or write your own book using AI-powered writing. So all of those applications is a graphic software tools that is offered by Dezygn platform. And below here, it will show you some of the plan that they offer on each application. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plan that you could also avail, such as monthly plan, quarterly, and yearly plan. But they also offer a free trial for any of this plan. And below here, it will show you the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. And the cheapest plan that you can avail is $59. However, if you want to purchase a cheaper plan, you could also go to this platform called appsumo.com, and on the search bar of it, kindly search Dezygn, And from here, it will show you that they offer a plan amounting to $49, which has a 75% discount. And you will see the features that they offer on the left side panel of it, including lifetime access, design, in which it is only a one-time payment. And you will be able to access all of the applications that offer on design. And here are some of the plans that they also offer. And the cheapest pricing plan is $49, which is only a one-time purchase. And now, to start signing up on this platform, Dezygn, just choose any of these plans that they offer and start the free trial. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to select your profile picture and also to enter your name. And proceed by clicking Save and Get Started button below here. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which this is what the dashboard looks like of Dezygn. In which from here, it will show you some of the design that you can create, such as certificates, QR code art, avatar video, website, and any other design. And also, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some other community creations or the design that has been created by other users on this platform. And it will also show you the application that has been used in creating the specific design here. For example, we have here Dezygn, AI Dezygn, in which below application it will show you the design that has been created by other users. So you can simply click any of this design if you want to create the same one. But if you want to create your own, you can simply go back to this page right here and just click any of the form of art that you want. So I'm clicking this AI art. And upon clicking on it, it will show you below here some other inspiration that you can use to start creating your design. Or you could also choose some of the guided, including these design styles. By clicking these three lines right here, it will automatically show you some other options including Instant Artist, Style Specialist, and Masterpiece Maker. So let's say I'm going to choose Instant Artist, since its purpose is fastest image generator, so you can get your ideas visualized in just seconds. However, if you also want to create using some of the inspiration below here, you could also do that by simply clicking this button, Copy Prompt, in which it will show you how the users created that specific design. And aside from guided, you could also use the free form, in which by simply entering the prompt that you prefer, this platform will help you to start generating the ideas or prompt that you enter. So for instance, I'm going to enter here, dog wearing sunglasses. And after entering the prompt, you're also required to select the format. And after selecting, just click Create button below here. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you the results right here. And as you can see, the result shows some of the images or picture based on the prompt that we enter, which is dogs wearing sunglasses. And the result, you could also download it or save it to your computer files. And aside from this application, AI Dezygn, you could also navigate here and utilize other applications that will help you at creating the kind of design or art that you're looking for by simply entering the prompt that you prefer. So basically, this platform provides an easy-to-use and accessible solutions for entrepreneurs and individuals who want to create professional-looking graphics and marketing materials without the need for design skills. So that is just basically how you can use Dezygn. Thank you.